everyone, I am back with the second lecture of Geography chapter Manufacturing Industries. Children, in the last class I had said you about the importance of manufacturing industries. I had also said that agriculture and industry move hand in hand. So if we talk about GDP calculation, we say that manufacturing industries contributes around 17% to total GDP in India. So now let us see what are the factors that influence the location of an industry. They are availability of raw materials, labor, capital, power and market. These all factors influence the location of an industry. So now we will study about the classifications of industry. So children, industries are classified on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of ownership, on the basis of raw materials. So first let us study on the basis of capital investment. On the basis of capital investment, industries can be classified or divided into small scale and large scale industries. On the basis of ownership, industries can be divided as public, private and cooperative sector. On the basis of raw materials, it can be classified as heavy or lighter industries. So on the basis of source of raw materials, industries can also be classified as agro-based industries or mineral industries. So now let's study about agro-based industries. So you all know, children, what is agro-based industries? Yes, industries based on agricultural raw materials. It is known as agro-based industries. We can give some examples, that is cotton, jute, textiles and sugar, etc. So let's start with cotton textile industry. In ancient India, hand spinning and handloom weaving techniques were used. And in 18th century, you can say, after industrialization, power loom came into use. In India, spinning mills were usually set up in in Maharashtra and Gujarat, where cotton was produced in large scale. So Indian cotton, children, is famous in many countries like USA, UK, France, Germany, where India exports cotton. So now let's study the challenges faced by cotton industry. There are four major challenges. First is irregular power supply. Second is stiff competition. Third is old machinery. And fourth is low labor output. But in spite of that, cotton industry has given a boost to other industry. Like you can say chemical industry, dye industry, packaging industry, etc. Now let's study about jute textile industry. Children, India is the largest producer of jute. Most of the jute industries are located in West Bengal. Why? What are the factors responsible for the location in the Hooghly Basin? First, we will see Hooghly Basin area. Proximity or nearness of jute producing areas, inexpensive water transport, good network of roadways, railways and waterways, and of course cheap labor. So now let us understand the challenges faced by the jute textile industry. The first one is stiff competition in international market from synthetic substitutes, but internal demand has been on increase. Why? Due to government policy of mandatory use of jute packaging. In 2005, National Jute Policy was formulated. Why? With the objective of increasing productivity, improving quality, then ensuring good prices to jute farmers, etc. So the main markets of this are, you can say, USA, Canada, Russia, UK, etc. So the global concern for environment friendly biodegradable materials has emerged or has opened the opportunity for jute products. Okay. So now we will read about sugar industry. So India stands second as well as a world producer of sugar, but first in the producer of gur and khalsari. There are more than 660 sugar mills present in India, and most of the sugar mills, children, are set up in Maharashtra. Why? Because the cane produced there has higher sucrose content. So now let's study the challenges faced by the sugar industry. There are four major challenges. The first one is seasonal nature of industry. Second is old and inefficient method of production. The third one is delay of transport in reaching cane to the factories. And fourth one is need to maximize the use of baggage. Children, you must be understanding, thinking, what is that baggage? Yes, it is the dry, pulpy, fibrous residue, that remains after the sugarcane is crushed to extract the juice. And how it is used? That baggage can be used as a biofuel for the production of heat energy, electricity, and also in the manufacture of pulp and building material. So now I will share you some interesting facts. What are these? The first cotton industry, was set up in the year 1854. Sugar industry was set up in the year 1903. And the jute industry was set up in the year 1859. These are some interesting facts. So this was all about today's lecture. Hope you have all well understood it. Read the NCERT books for details. Thank you and have a good day.